I would like to start off by saying thank you to all of you for the love and appreciation you have extended to my previous videos like Consciousness, Hell, and especially Bhagavad Gita, which is viewed on YouTube in English and Hindi as of today over 30 million times and progressively growing every day. So thank you very much for your help, as it was not possible without your contribution. Enlightenment is my next effort to share with you the absolute knowledge in the most simple words. The idea of creating this video came in 2009, but due to lack of time and other resources, it kept on delaying until now. And I'm sure that you will appreciate and like it the way you have liked it before. Sun has rise, Bigul has called. Pick up your arm, warrior. This life on earth is your own war to find the perfect version of self for your own salvation. Life truly is a game of snakes and ladders, where with right ladders one always come out from the deep hole of depression. The sadhu's teaching act as right ladders to first balance and then take control of my life. I could not bring what was lost, however, could create a new reality along with my progressive spiritual growth, which I gained first through travel, then reading, and finally tapping my own unconscious mind through trance meditation sessions. I was understanding my part and message. Things were getting clearer to me, and I realized that evolution of consciousness is neither limited to an individual and nor does it discriminate anybody based on color, religion, or even country. Whenever human beings' problems go beyond an individual or community, this world has witnessed a global awakening among human beings to take care of that problem with their collective consciousness, to make Earth a better and a safer place for generations to come. 5,000 years back, it was called Krishna consciousness in East and Moses consciousness in West, which introduced Karma Yoga and 10 Commandments and changed not just the concept of understanding God, but even the rules for the judgment. 2,000 years back, it was Christ, Greeks, Romans in Middle East and Europe, and Mayans, Aztecs in South America are other examples of this collective consciousness who explained life and creation in their own unique way. 700 years ago, it was Renaissance time, which gave birth to painters and sculpture artists all over the Europe who contributed to create a colorful visuals of their understanding about life, creation, and creator. 400 years ago, this collective consciousness gives us knowledge of navigation, which minimized the distance between the different belief systems, arts, cultures, and civilization. And humans learned from each other to make their life better. Saint Peter from Russia, Columbus from Italy, Vasco da Gama from Portugal, and thousand others who were with them are part of the same collective consciousness. 200 years ago, consciousness of science was introduced and humanity was enlightened with the inventions. 80 years back, humans understand the curse of slavery and more than 20 countries were liberated from European invasion. 50 years back, world saw women leadership and leaders like Sheikh Hasina, Margaret Thatcher, Indira Gandhi, Benazir Bhutto, Chandrika Kumara Tunga, and Mother Teresa became perfect examples of evolution of global consciousness. Industrialization, robotics, nanotechnology are other examples of the same consciousness. Recent fight with COVID-19 or Black Lives Matter after George Floyd's murder are also the examples of our continuously changing global consciousness. New conscious ends and destroy not just ignorance, but anything created by that ignorance. For a new world, better world, a safe world, where all could live in harmony, peace, and love.